reduce eye bags and dark circles, hooded eyes and puffiness, wrinkles on the forehead, and also lift the brows with this easy face yoga routine. Hold the skin up on the nose and with the other hand move upwards and outwards under the eyes, gliding the area, but your pressure should be super light here because this is eye area and it's a very sensitive and delicate area. I'm doing this for 10 times. Don't forget to apply your moisturizer before starting the massage. The next massage is for hooded eyes. Hold the brows up and with the other, go under the brows smoothly and lightly outwards on the temples. Repeating this for 10 times. This is gonna reduce the puffiness of the skin. Now for the last exercise, we are just moving upwards on the brows towards the scalp, and we are doing this for 20 seconds on each side. This is a very simple yet effective exercise to lift the brows and also reduce the wrinkles on the forehead. Now doing the same thing on the other side, being so smooth, so your pressure should be light on the eye area. Doing this again for 10 times. Be so slow and take your time and apply very light pressure. And the last move, massage upwards to the scalp for 20 seconds. This is one of my favorite routines because whenever I do this routine, I really feel so fresh, and also it helps to reduce my headache. Here you can see the difference and the lift in my eyes and brows. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share and also subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye.